Grass waterways, one of their purposes is to convey water off the land. And in doing so, one of the things that they help and assist with is preventing gully erosion in areas where flow starts to concentrate. So we have vegetation, provides greater resistance to flow so that we don't start to erode soil and create gullies. The other thing that they can do is, as water enters that grass waterway on the edges, we get flow hitting that grass. There's greater resistance to flow. It slows down. It'll tend to drop out sediment and particulates, other sediment-bound particulates at the edges of the grass waterway so that we have cleaner water going down the grass waterway. What's very critical to grass waterway sizing and their ultimate performance is what that water, how much water, and the quality of that water that's entering the grass waterway. And that's why a systems approach, thinking all the way from the top of the hill to the bottom of the hill, is very important, so that what we do on that land that contributes to the grass waterway, whether we're using reduced till or no till, whether we're planting on the contour, whether there may be some terraces there, are all important when we start thinking about the grass waterways, and can have a great influence on the sizing of the waterway and the ultimate performance of that grass waterway.
We're well aware that grass waterways have a benefit relative to its impact on sedimentation, sediment loss, soil loss, and in favorable economics on the farmer's bottom line. But there are other issues, other valuable components of having grass waterways in your fields. Grass waterways add diversity. We've lost fence rows in many, many fields, and this adds an element of perennial vegetation diversity that favors wildlife, adds more edges, which is ecologically a favorable thing. If the biofuel industry comes forward with a cellulosic conversion, there's a potential feedstock, fuel stock that can be harvested from those grass waterways, giving us another economic benefit. There are various government programs that will pay farmers. Farmers can get a return for having that area of the field in grass waterways. So there are a variety of reasons and components that go beyond strictly sediment loss that we typically see with grass waterways.